babies. Come babies. Hey, sweetie. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Uh-oh, there's one.
No.
Okay, name them all.
Okay. This one's Izzy.
Okay. Somebody just ran off.
That one's Izzy. This one is Kilo. This one's Zoe.
Hello, Kilo.
And Kilo, say hello to Mommy.
Hello, hello.
Okay.
Hi, pretty girl. Hi, happy girl.
Here comes Halo and Zoe.
Halo. Hey, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Hey, Zoe.
Here's Lizzie. Here's Lizzie. This one's Lizzie.
Hello, Lizzie.
Where's
Lizzie. Hey, Lizzie.
Lizzie? She just peed on the potty pad, so that's good.
Good job, Izzy. Good job, Izzy girl. Good job,
They're
Izzy.
trained. Very well.
Good job. Hi.
Don't leave.
Who we got over there?
We got Halo,
All of them.
Zoe, and Kilo.
Yeah.
Now Izzy. Everybody's over here. Here's some.
Yeah. Lizzie girl.
Hey, everybody's over here.
Hello, sweetie. Lizzie. Hello, baby. You the sweet one. You're sweet.
There's some more.
Oh.
Oh, don't side jump it. Oh.
Run, baby, run.
This one is sweet. This one's the shyest, but it's so sweet. It's cute. So
Hi, pretty. Hello. Hello, Lizzie. Hello, Lizzie.
she's our youngest. Last born. 2 hours late.
Lizzie.
Yeah. She's almost peed on the pad.
She almost.
Almost.
Right side.
Right, well, that's good. She's close.
That's so close.
Halo. Come here, Kilo. Kilo. Hi, baby.
Grab it, you go, Mom.
There she